In this video, we are going to see how we can edit or change the gender details on Facebook. So let's say that you have handed over your profile to your wife, or you want someone else to hand it over. And now you want to change the gender and customize all the settings for that. Here's how you do it. Just click on the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon. And where it says about, you just go in here, and in the personal details, in the about section, we click here, and in the gender you can see female, but we have already customized the name, so we customize the gender as well. So we click on this edit sign and you can change and switch the gender from here. Let's say I want to choose male, show it on my profile if you want to notify all the people about it. But if not, you can just keep it unchecked, click on save, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.